If you're anything like me, you probably enjoy reading books on various IT topics, especially cybersecurity these days. Books are a great way to learn new skills, gain valuable insights, and stay updated on the latest trends and developments within the field. But books can also be expensive, especially if you buy a lot of them, and trust me, I definitely know. I've probably brought over 70 or 80 books during my IT career, and they're all over my house. I mean, seriously. I've got books in my bedroom, on the bookshelf in my office, of course, the basement, the living room, here on my desk, and even on the floor. I mean, honestly, it's just a mess. But what can I say? I honestly can't help myself. But what if I were to tell you that there's a great way to not only get cybersecurity books at a super low price, but also to support a worthy cause? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's honestly not. Let me introduce you to Humble Bundle, a website that offers bundles of digital products, such as games, software, comics, and, of course, books, for a fraction of their retail price. But the best part is, you actually get to decide how much you want to pay and how much of your money goes to the creators, to charity, or to Humble Bundle itself. So it's honestly a win-win situation for everyone. Right now, Humble Bundle actually has a bundle of cybersecurity books that you definitely don't want to miss out on. You can see the different bundle filters here, and the smallest one, the 3-item bundle, has these 3 digital books here, and you simply need to pay or contribute at least $1 to gain access to these digital books. The 7-item bundle, simply pay at least $10, and the ultimate one, the one that I definitely would suggest, to get this entire 23-item bundle, just simply pay at least $18. As you scroll down here to the right side, you can see that that ticker is actually counting down, and you can definitely take advantage of this special offer until the end of February, because on the 28th, this deal is gonna actually disappear. You can also see the charitable information here for each of these bundles. So again, like I said earlier, it's definitely a win-win situation for everyone involved. So I'll definitely leave that link down below in the description, and big shout out to Alex, one of my coworkers, for hipping me to this website when I was just basically having a one-on-one conversation and sharing just how into cybersecurity I've definitely become here over the past few years, and definitely how long of a ways I've got to go. But if you take advantage of this, then I'd definitely love to hear how your experience is, and quite possibly a few weeks or months from now, which one of these books, if any, hopefully, maybe one or a few that you've actually read, and just would love to get your feedback. So feel free to drop a comment down below and let me know if there's any help that you need in those books as well. Like I said, it's a community that we're actually building here, and the field of cybersecurity is definitely long and broad, and it takes a tribe and a village definitely to continue to improve each of our knowledge. But I just want to thank each and every one of you again for rocking in here with me today. This is, like I said, a super deal, super offer that I didn't want to just hold close to the hip myself, and just wanted to share it with you. Like I said, limited time. Only we got a few weeks here left in February, but again, that link will be down in the description. But until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Peace.